Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Monopoly Go game. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Select Settings option. Now tap on Connect account, which is at the bottom of your screen. To unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook account, just tap on the disconnect button. And if you're sure, tap on the disconnect once again. And this is how you can unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook account. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.